Here is my setup to take off partially tire of the wheel, brake, and I will be replacing the TPMS sensor. Let's see how it goes. Doesn't go too well right now. Didn't get close to the rim. Not close enough, maybe. Nope, it's not braking. Gonna try this again. Here's my setup to brake tire of the wheel, trying to replace TPMS sensor. Looks like this board needs to be as close as possible to the rim or it will fail. The jack has to push the actual wheel. Alright, let's try this one. I wonder. Looks like this board may be not good. This is probably because this plastic is kind of slicky. It's a little slick, probably sliding off this rubber. I'm gonna try to use a wooden board. Here's the setup again with the wooden board. I put a little piece of rubber there for better grip on the sidewall. Let's try this one. Still sliding. Alright, failure. Alright, I have to give my phone for a little bit. Now I have just changed technique a little bit. Have used different board and I open my tire. Now I will be changing the TPMS sensor, and that's pretty much try to show you how I broke the bead. Everything else will be simple. Just remove the sensor, put new one in, clean up this area if there is any dust or anything. Like I use usually some alcohol, and once that's done, I just let tire go, and I will pump it, and it will just pop in place. But the main thing here is this jack setup with the wood. That's all.